Alright, good morning. It is the first full sea day of the cruise. We have gotten up, we took a time lapse of the sunrise, and we are about to go up and get some breakfast. One thing we thought we would show you guys is that this is the walkway for our room. So we have the picture window with the walkway view. If you haven't seen that video, go back and take a look at it. But this is the walkway, and there's nobody out here. It is about 8 a.m. in the morning, and we have the whole walkway area to ourselves. We just made it back from the pool area, had a really good time, got some time checking out the ship. We are now about to go to a cooking demonstration. So Carnival does a cooking demonstration for their steakhouse, which we're actually going to be checking out later in the week. So we're going to go check out the cooking demonstration, and then there's also a Bust a Move dance class, which Tiffany is very excited about. So we're going to go do the Bust a Move dance class as well. Today's also Super Bowl day, so we'll have an opportunity to kind of show you guys what all the ship does for the Super Bowl.
Hi, my name is Arita. I'm one of the entertainment staff on board. Everything I do, I create fun with it. These guys are the one doing all the hard work. I'm just the mouthpiece.
So the dance class Bust a Move was a big bust. They actually didn't have anybody where they said they were going to be doing the dance class, and then they made an announcement 15 minutes after it was supposed to start that it was up on the pool deck, and it's kind of hot and a lot of people out there, so we decided not to do that. We're heading back to the room now to grab some either Uno cards, Phase 10 cards, and we're going to go sit on the balcony and give you a room tour of the extended or premium view balcony room.
We were trying to get the Uno cards, and we realized when we made it back to the room that we actually had something delivered. So when you become a platinum or a diamond member, you actually get what's called Chocolate Delight delivered to your stateroom. And it's a bunch of strawberries, some chocolate balls, and I don't really know what those things are. They're good though. So you get these delivered. One of the things we didn't talk about yesterday that we probably should have is one of the advantages is being able to come to your room immediately as soon as you board. We were able to come onto the ship, drop all of our stuff in the room, and then kind of go off and do whatever we wanted to. So it's a huge advantage to being a loyalty member with Carnival Cruise Lines. To the room tour now. We have made it all the way to the back of the ship. This is room 6483, a Premium Vista Balcony Room. This room is characterized by having two large windows that you can see that wrap around on the balcony directly off the aft of the ship. There's also a bed, obviously. As you wrap around to the left of the ship, there is a table with two chairs. There's also a makeup area that allows you to get ready with a big mirror. There's a small mini fridge directly underneath of that. There's also some cabinets here, and a drawer that has a safe inside of it. Your TV is directly above that. There's a full-size closet, another closet, and one more closet. But actually, it looks like it has some shelving on it. So there's some shelves on that third one. As you go into the bathroom here, which we kind of skipped by, the weird thing about this room is behind the door is actually where the light switch is, so that's a little inconvenient, but for the most part it's okay. As you walk around the corner here, here's your bathroom. It's a traditional bathroom that looks more or less like the rest of them with a shower, a toilet, and a sink. Okay, making our way out to the balcony. This is actually a huge balcony. I think I had mentioned that it wraps around, but there's a huge space for people. So you have this whole area here. We actually have two chase lounges, two chairs, and there's also this area over here that has two chairs. So there's a total of 4 chairs and 2 chase loungers on this balcony. And as you can see, you can sort of see all the way around to the aft of the ship, all the way around the side. And then as you make your way down the side of the balcony here, you can get all the way to the edge of the ship and look around the edge. It's taking me a little bit longer than I expected because this is a big balcony, but there you go. You can see all the way around the edge of the ship, just like that. All right, I'm not sure if you're able to hear us or not, but it is Super Bowl Sunday, and we are out on the Carnival cruise ship watching the Super Bowl. Let's take a look and see what you got.
Good morning. So we are sailing into Grand Turk right now. After the Super Bowl last night, we just decided to go to sleep. We were both pretty tired, but we're gonna go ahead and eat our breakfast and we'll see you on the island.
Alright, so we have made it to Grand Turk. We are currently on the island. We have made it to Margaritaville actually, so we're hanging out at Margaritaville. This area a lot of people don't recognize is actually a free pool, and there are also free chairs that you can sit at. So there's a lot of food. The food's kind of expensive, the drinks are kind of expensive. I would recommend going to one of the local vendors, probably 20 or 30 feet just right outside of Margaritaville to get drinks.
So $5 drinks.
Yeah, so do that. But the pool, the beach, everything like that is included. If you get here early enough, you can get a chair on the beach even. There's a flow rider here. We're going to try and check out the flow rider here in just a few minutes.
Unfortunately, Zach and his dad weren't able to do the flow rider. They did a refurbish not too long ago and they're waiting on the proper approvals, which the guy told us could take about a week. So we're gonna go ahead and get in the water.
Let's do it.
Get the guy, get the guy! He's doing his hair because he can't see us! Oh my gosh. Oh, that's funny. He had no clue that we can see him. Obviously, that's good proof that you can't see through these windows. Anyways, we made it back onto the ship. We went up, got some lunch, took a nap, and now it's time to get ready for formal night.
We just got all dressed up for dinner and now we're officially ready. We're gonna walk down to the end of the hallway down there and go see my parents and take a few pictures with them that we may include in this video or we may not, I'm not really sure. Then we're gonna go have a nice dinner.
No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle.
After dinner, we ended up going to the show, which was actually really interesting. It was called the
Heart of Soul.
Heart of Soul, thank you. So hopefully you guys enjoyed some of the video clips from today. I think that is probably going to do it for this video, but
For real this time.
yeah, but I think so. Tomorrow we're in San Juan, and then the day after that we're in St. Thomas, and then the day after that we're in Amber Cove. So there should be at least 2 more cruise videos. So keep watching if you enjoy the content, and make sure you leave a like or leave you really like it, if you
Subscribe.
subscribe, if you really enjoy the content. Alright, so we just got dinner.
No.
We didn't get dinner. Let's try again.
But you changed the setting. And I don't know what.
I think we're okay.
It was whatever that button does. Yeah, continuous AF.
Kansas City, who were 3 and out, first time they had